photo.
Okay, yeah, explain to me what you're doing right now.
I'm going to go get my driver's license that I forgot.
You need a driver's license for your kayak?
Yeah. Don't you have one for the canoe? This is New York State. We have licenses for everything.
Oh yeah, that would be a disaster. There's a panoramic view.
I would say it's not.
Yeah, I don't think it is, but you know what's nice is to have another color in there, green. You know, if they totally turned, you wouldn't see the greens like this. I'm gonna watch Dave remove his kayak from dry dock and launch.
I'm in.
Yeah, that's it. This will show Mary Jane I can do it by myself, and for her not to feel bad that she's not here.
Say what?
This way Mary Jane won't feel bad that she's not here,
Why is that?
because I can launch it myself.
Oh.
She was worried I couldn't do it all.
Plus, Dave's here.
That's right. Yeah, we shouldn't ignore Dave. Oh, picture perfect day. Yeah. All right, let's see if I can get in the old red canoe here. All right, Dave. Beautiful. Now let's see if we can get underway. Here's Dave pulling away from me with his speedy kayak. Here I am at the mercy of the wind and the waves. Here I am on the west shore of Canadice Lake, and out there is a very hardy soul in his kayak. Me, I need a drink. Where is Dave? Here's Dave. Way out there. Wow. Wow. Picture of a man in his kayak, paddling against the waves, paddling into the wind in his homemade exotic wood kayak. Dave Fries. Alone in the wilderness, unable to paddle into the wind. My forefathers paddled into these winds, but I cannot. I think I need another Indian in the front of my canoe. Ahoy! Hey, have you seen a Schlesinger number 7 golf ball while you're out there? I think I hit it in the rough. A Titleist? Oh, no, it's not me.
It's a Titleist 3.
Oh. Yeah, I think I'm in the rough a little bit too far. No mulligans today. Your super canoe and Tyler 2. Or whatever that saying is. Oh, this is a beautiful view here. Dave and his kayak. beautiful colors of Canadice Lake. Whee! And he's got Mickey Mouse over there somewhere. Here I am getting blown by the wind again. You there? I don't know. Woo! Woo-hoo! Hullabaloo! Looking good, Dave. Looking good. Well, stylish, I guess that's a word for it. Excellent. Excellent style. Well, it's a wrap. Oh boy, what a beautiful day.
They're going much easier than you might.